In this video, we will show you how to renew a tobacco products manufacturer and importer license. We protect all the confidential information you provide to us. First, go to our website, cdtfa.ca.gov, and at the top, click on Login. That will take you to the Online Services login page. You must log in with a username and password. For assistance with creating a username and password, please watch our tutorials online. On the CDTFA Online Services login page, we will enter our username and password. Then click Login. On the Online Services profile page, under the Accounts tab, we will click on the Tobacco Products Manufacturer Importer License hyperlink. This will take us to the Tobacco Products Manufacturer and Importer License page. To renew a license, you must apply for a renewal on or before the end of December 31st of the current year. To file for a renewal, click on the Renew, Move, Close a License location hyperlink. This brings us to a License Options page. Review each location and select if you would like to renew, move, or close a license. In this example, we are renewing our license and will leave the renewal option selected. Click Next. This brings us to the Tobacco Product Information page. You will need to select the type of tobacco product you are currently manufacturing or importing. In this example, we are only manufacturing tobacco products, excluding chewing tobacco and snuff, and will leave the option selected as is. Click the Next button to continue filing. This brings us to the Brand Family Names page. You must list all the brand families that you manufacture or import. This page allows you to update, remove, or add brand families that you manufacture or import. To add the brand names, click on an empty row to enter the name. In this example, we added Tiger. Click on an empty row to enter any additional names. To remove a name, click on the paper and X icon next to the name you would like to remove. In this example, we are no longer manufacturing Zebra and will click on the paper and X icon next to Zebra. A pop-up will appear confirming if you would like to delete the row. Click Yes to confirm. Notice that Zebra now is deleted from the list. We do not have additional updates and will click Next to continue filing. This brings us to the Declaration of Intent page. This is to confirm your intent to file electronically and that your application for renewal is true, correct, and complete. Please read this information carefully. Check the box to confirm your understanding, then click Next. This brings us to the Felony Acknowledgement page. Please read this information carefully. Check the box to confirm your understanding, then click Next. This brings us to the Certification for Renewal of Tobacco Products Manufacturer Importer License page. Please read this information carefully. Check the box to confirm your understanding. Click Submit to continue. This confirmation page represents a submission of your application. Please take note of your confirmation number. We recommend you print this page for future reference. To print your submitted application, click on the Printable View button. You can also share your feedback by clicking on the Online Services Survey button. Your opinion counts. If there are no holds, you will be able to print your license immediately. A hold can occur if your California Secretary of State SOS number is being suspended or forfeited. Our system performs an SOS validation and will let you know if there is an SOS error upon submission. If your SOS number is suspended or forfeited, you will not be able to print your license. If there is a hold, once we complete our review, we will notify you by email to check the status of your request. To print your license, click I'm done. You will be returned to your Tobacco Products Manufacturer Importer License account page. Under the I Want To section, to print your renewed license, click on the Print Cigarette and Tobacco Licenses hyperlink. On this page, you will see the available tobacco manufacturer and importer licenses to print. Our example license has been renewed for the year of 2022. All the licenses are automatically checked to print. You can deselect licenses to print by clicking on the checkbox. We do not need to print the 2021 license and will deselect the checkbox. Next, click on the Print button to print your selected license. A new window will open, displaying your license, which you can print or save. If you still have questions, please call our Customer Service Center at 1-800-400-7115, California Relay Service at 711.